In this video segment, we will learn about the Citations section. Begin by expanding the Citations section by clicking on the gray section title. The Citations section should be used if this data is from or relates to a journal article or manuscript. The Primary Article section will be used if this data is from a journal article or manuscript that directly describes the data. Full citation is a free text field where you will enter the article citation in APA format. If your article is still in review, fill in as much as you can and note the status. You can update the full citation later once the article is published. The Article DOI field will hold the primary article's Digital Object Identifier. Start at the 10.xxx. Do not include the www portion of the DOI. In this case, because our article is still in review, we don't have an article DOI for our primary article. The PubAg AGID field is for the AG ID if this paper or article appears in PubAg. Again, because we're in review, I don't have that yet, so I will leave it blank. You can only add one primary article, so if there is more than one relevant article describing the data, make sure this is the one you want cited when others reuse your data. Also to note, if you include a primary article, your dataset title should be formatted data from, followed by the title of the article in this citation section. The Method Citation section provides a space to note an article or articles that describe the methods used to collect or process your data. The full citation, Article DOI, and PubAg AGID fields all work the same as in the primary article section. You can add multiple method citations using the Add Another Item button. The Related Article section is used to note an article or articles that relate to this dataset tangentially, but not directly. Related articles could also be other studies that have used the data. Again, the full citation, Article DOI, and PubAg AGID fields all work the same as before. You can add multiple related articles using the Add Another Item button. List only the most relevant articles if you have many to choose from. The Preferred Dataset Citation field should be used if you want to override the automatic dataset citation. The automatic citation will be compiled from all the information you fill out in this submission form, but the preferred citation will override the automatic citation if you complete this field. Either the automatic or the preferred citation will appear at the bottom of the Saved Dataset page. A tip is to fill out the submission form, save it, and see how the automatically created citation looks. If you are not happy with that, then edit the dataset to include a preferred citation to override the automatic one. The Metadata Sources field should be used if you want to attach a metadata record of another Ag Data Commons dataset to your new dataset. This section auto-populates with titles of existing datasets as you begin to type. Once the dataset is saved, this field will attach an XML metadata record from the dataset you chose to your new dataset.